for lesson 3.5 is about try to identify the if variable t is in the shaded area. It's in a bell curve also. So this is about, bell curve again. Bell curves or bell curve is a nickname for normal distribution probability, normal probability distribution. Okay, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna check if or determine if the t value is in the shaded area. So this time we're going to shade the bell curve. Alright, letter A. The first question is for t less than 10. Okay, so for this, so we're going to focus t less than 10. Is t in the shaded is in the shaded area? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is let's try to draw this. Let's make a approximate bell curve. It doesn't need to be necessarily accurate. So I'm just gonna do my virtual zero. Okay, well, if this is 0, t is less than 10, so it means that I need t equals 10. If this is my 0, well, let's say I'll put this to be 10 right here. Okay, so that's less than 10. Well, and then the shaded area is so here that shaded area is t less than 10. Okay, is t in the shaded area? The answer is yes. This shaded area is this. That's the inequality that corresponds to this. So is t in the shaded area? Well, t is less than 10. So therefore, yes, t is less than 10. So all of these are less than 10. Alright? Okay, next, letter B. Moving on. Letter B, I have here for t equals 1.285. Okay, t equals 1.285. Now we're gonna plot this point, plot this, the area for this, I mean this point, and then is T, the question is T in the shaded area. Okay, so here's the given. Let's draw a bell curve, and the bell curve is and I'm gonna put T. I put this right here will be my T. So this is my T, and then I'm gonna have and this line right here is 2.361. So from here there is 2.361. Well, is T in the shaded area? If you look, this is our T, this is the shaded area. The value of our T is 1.285, and then the shaded area starts with 2.361. So therefore the answer is no. T is not in the shaded area. Okay, next, letter C. For T equals negative 2.347. So that's our given, and then the question is sorry about that. Hold on, guys. Is T in the shaded area? All right. Let's make a, here's our given. Then I'm gonna say this part is negative 2.375. Then this is shaded, and then that part is positive 2.375, and this is shaded. I know I'm gonna put T before this because this is negative 2.347. So T is somewhere right here. This is T, and that is equal to negative 2.347, right? Like this one right here. This is 2.361. Well, your T is 1.285. So it means that your T is before this. So to the left of this, because this is smaller than this. So in this case, my T is negative 2.347, which is, if you look at this, is negative 2.375. So this is farther from 0 compared to this. So the location of this is to the right of this. So we can say that is T. So this is the right location of T. Well, is T in the shaded area? The answer is no. That's the answer. And then the last one, letter D, for T equals negative 1.708, then the question is T in the shaded area. The shaded area. Well, let's draw down the bell curve. Well, and the shaded area is this one. I'll do the shaded area. Negative 1.734. Then of course right here positive 1.734, and here's the shaded area. Now the next step you need to do is plot this point. Plot this. Where is the location of negative 1.708? Well, if you look at this, compared to default negative, this is farther from 0 compared to this. Yeah? So I will put this in here. A little bit right here. So this is my T. T equals negative 1.708. Okay? Because that's how the location is. So that means that it's a yes. T is in the shaded area. Okay? So far guys, that's for lesson 3.5. Let's recap what we did in lesson 3.5. Lesson 3.5 is comparing values in a region. There's example 1, comparing decimals. So we did 6 examples for that. And then example 2, we have plot the points on a number 9. So we have 6 examples also. Then example 3, we talk about the bell curve, how to put numbers in order in a bell curve, and how to label your axis. Axis means the horizontal line. And of course number 4, about bell curve again. Check and determine if the T values is in the shaded area. So, and then we have example A up to example D. Okay, so that is for lesson 3.5. Then answer for this. This is your assignment. Answer work for lesson 3.5 posted in Blackboard. Okay, so you get, where's the work? It's in Blackboard. And turn in your work in Blackboard. That's the only location you're gonna turn in your work in Blackboard. The due date is Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so